Introduction to Uniswap Token List SDK. To get started with the Uniswap Token List SDK, it is essential to understand the basics of Uniswap and the role of the token list. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables the trading of tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The token list is a curated list of tokens that are available for trading on Uniswap. Step 1. Installing the SDK. The first step is to install the Uniswap Token List SDK. This can be done by running a command in the terminal, which will install the necessary dependencies. Once installed, you can import the SDK into your project and start using it. Step 2. Retrieving the token list. To retrieve the token list, you can use the getTokenList function provided by the SDK. This function returns a list of tokens that are currently available on Uniswap. You can then use this list to display the available tokens in your application or to filter tokens based on specific criteria. Step 3. Filtering tokens. The SDK provides several options for filtering tokens. You can filter tokens by name, symbol, or address. This allows you to quickly find specific tokens or to exclude certain tokens from your list. For example, you can use the filter tokens function to get a list of tokens that match a specific name or symbol. Step 4. Handling token updates. The token list is subject to change, with new tokens being added and old tokens being removed. To handle these updates, the SDK provides a function called getTokenListUpdate. This function returns a list of tokens that have been added or removed from the token list since the last update. You can use this function to keep your token list up to date and to notify users of any changes. Best practices. When using the Uniswap Token List SDK, there are several best practices to keep in mind. First, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly. This will prevent your application from crashing if there is an issue with the token list. Second, keep your token list up to date by regularly checking for updates. Finally, use the filtering options provided by the SDK to customize the token list for your application. Conclusion. The Uniswap Token List SDK provides a powerful tool for working with the Uniswap token list. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can install the SDK, retrieve the token list, filter tokens, and handle token updates. By using the SDK and following best practices, you can create a seamless and user-friendly experience for your users.